Best New Sports Cars of 2022. The cars on this list are guaranteed to turn heads and thrill drivers. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Few cars deliver driving thrills at an affordable price quite like the 2022 Mazda MX-5 Miata, and it's the only affordable sports car with a convertible top. It's also on our 2022 Editor's Choice list. Subaru BRZ. Prioritizing affordability and lightweight agility over high horsepower and high-priced exclusivity, the 2022 Subaru BRZ continues to be a pure sports car for everyone. The completely redesigned rear-drive only coupe remains a unique entry in Subaru's otherwise all-wheel drive lineup. Toyota GR86. The second-generation Toyota GR86 follows the same rear-wheel drive formula as the first-gen car. Developed again in conjunction with the Subaru BRZ, the 2022 GR86 will be powered by a horizontally opposed 4-cylinder engine and a standard 6-speed manual transmission. Toyota Supra. It's been a few years since the Supra rejoined the Toyota lineup after a long hiatus, but despite our growing familiarity, the 2022 Supra remains one of our favorite sports cars. In fact, it's on our 2022 Editor's Choice list. Chevy Camaro. The 2022 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe and Convertible are about the pure and simple joy of driving. Forget about their compromised outward visibility and cramped rear seats. Instead, embrace their lithe handling, satisfying stick-shift transmission, and remarkably smooth ride. Chevy Camaro ZL1. The 2022 Chevy Camaro ZL1 isn't the most powerful muscle car, but when it comes to driver involvement and value for the performance, it's unbeatable. It's also on our 2022 Editor's Choice list. The Bowtie Boys stuff a 650 horsepower supercharged V8 between the ZL1's fenders and offer a satisfying manual transmission or a snappy 10-speed automatic. Ford Mustang. Whether it's used for top-down trips on the Sunset Strip or track time at Lime Rock, there's a 2022 Ford Mustang for most every lifestyle and personality. With countless appearance packages, notable performance-enhancing options, and coupe or convertible body styles, it can be highly personalized. Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Think of the 2022 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 kind of like a rolling theme park. Its monstrous 760 horsepower supercharged V8 launches the coupe with eye-watering force, and its immense grip causes sensations of euphoria or nausea or both. All the while its thrilling exhaust note provides the soundtrack, and a rapid shifting automatic transmission handles gear changes for the rear drive-only coupe. Chevy Corvette. After years of waiting for the mid-engine Corvette to make its debut, the pressure was on for Chevrolet to deliver a modern-day icon. As the C8 generation car enters its second model year, we are happy to report that its status is preserved. In fact, it's elevated. Porsche 718 Cayman. Few cars, including other sports cars we love, offer the same purity of mission as the 2022 Porsche 718 Cayman. Its mid-engine arrangement and expertly tuned suspension give it a joyful driving demeanor that's truly addictive, and we again named it to our 2022 Editor's Choice list. Buyers can choose from a horizontally opposed 4- or 6-cylinder engine, the latter of which sings a siren song that encourages aggressive driving. Porsche 718 Boxster. Most convertibles are a romantic way to enjoy the open road, but the 2022 Porsche 718 Boxster takes it a step further with its joyous handling and eager turbocharged powertrains. It shares its chassis and mechanical parts with the similarly sporty 718 Cayman Coupe, but the Boxster's cloth top opens the cabin to fresh air and the freeing feeling of the wind in your hair. Base models come with a turbocharged horizontally opposed 4-cylinder, but speed freaks will gravitate toward the optional flat 6.